Hello everyone, welcome today in the daily newspaper on Thursday, December the 5th, 2024. We have here three regular puzzles. Yes, those puzzles are the 3 stars, the 4 stars Sudoku, and the Jigsaw Sudoku, aka Tectonic. In today's newspaper, we have also an additional with extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the letter Sudoku, 2 stars, 3 stars, and a 4 stars Sudoku with 2 Jigsaw Sudokus, one with 4 stars, one with 1 star. In Dutch, they call it Cipher Block. In Japanese, Suguru. And the last puzzle is the binary puzzle. These puzzles, I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them. 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve in the evening. But now, let me start with these 3 regular puzzles. Excuse me. And the news of today, well, genocide. Yes, genocide. There's a confirmation of Amnesty International. There's genocide in Gaza. Yeah, in Gaza. The Israelis soldiers or Israel, the human rights, they don't care. So there's genocide in Gaza. People are killed, and there's a confirmation of Amnesty International. All right, enough about the war. Still going on. Shame of them, yes. Shame of them. Anyway, this will be number 9701. Yeah, less than 300 puzzles. We have here 26 printed digits. Yeah. Usually the 3 stars has 25. This one has 26. Should be a 2 stars puzzle. For 2 stars puzzle, I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. Well, it's indicated by the publisher with the 3 stars. For a 3 stars puzzle, 20 to 30 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. So let's get started. Let me see which number I can pick. 3 missing numbers in the first column. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7 is missing, and 8 is missing. 4, 7, 8. 4, 7, 8, 4, 7, 8, 4, 7, 8. Then look, we have a 4 and a 7 in the second row, so no 4 and a 7 in this box. 4 and a 7 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 4 and a 7, 4 and a 7. We have a 4 in this big square, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 7 goes there. So 1 digit left in the first column for number 8. Alright, and now need an 8 here, need a 1 here, and 1 in this row, 1 in the row below. Oh well, we have a pair. The 1 and a 5 in this row, the 1 and a 5 in the row below. So the last row, only 2 places left for the 1 and 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and a 5, 1 and a 5. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 5, 5, 1, 1. 8. Well, I need a 5 here. Need a 3 there, okay. Need a 1 in this row, 1 in the middle row, so in the row below, the only 3 places left for the 1 should be here, or there. We have a 1 in the last column, no 1 there. 1 in that column, no 1 there. The only place left for the 1 should be there. 1, 1. 1, 1. Cannot continue with 1 now. Need to wait. How about? Need 2 here. 5. 5, 5. Well, in this column, 5 missing numbers. 2 of those missing numbers are the 5 and 8. We have 5 and 8 in this big square, so no 5 and 8 in these 3 boxes. 5 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 5 and 8, 5 and 8. So what are the other 3 missing numbers in this column? Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing. 7 is missing. The 8 and the 9 is missing. 6, 7, 9. Need to wait. But we have a 2 in this column, last column, 2 in the column next on that column. The only place level 2 should be there. 2, 2. 9, 9. We have a 9 here. Three in the first row, 3 in the third row, so the row between the second row, the only 2 places level 3 should be here or there. We have a 3 in the second column, no 3 there, 3 should be there. We need a 3 here. In this column we need a 3. These 2 boxes can be 3 because we have 3 in this big square, so no 3 in these 2 boxes. So 3 could be here, here or there. We see another 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 in the middle row, no 3 there, the only place level 3. I should be there. We need a 4 in this column. We have a 4 in this big square, so no 4 in these 2 boxes. So the 4 could be here or there, here or there. We see another 4 in the middle row, no 4 there. 4 should be there. 6, 8, 9, 6, 8, 9, 6. 3 missing numbers in this column. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing. The 7, the 8 is missing. And the 9 is missing. 6, 7, 6, 8, 9. 6, 8, 9, 6, 8, 9, 6, 8, 9. And look, we have a 6 and a 9 in this row. So no 6 and a 9 in this box. 6 and a 9 goes in those 2 boxes. That's a pair. 6 and a 9, 6 and a 9. We have a 9 in this row. No 9 there. 9 should be here and a 6 goes there. 9 in this row, 9 in the third row, so the row between the only place level 9 should be there. So 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers 5 and 8. 5 and 8, we have a 5 in this column, so no 5 there. 5 should be here and 8 goes there. 1 box left now in this column for number 5, 1, 8. We have a 5 now, so this box should be an 8. 3 missing numbers now in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4. 5 is missing. 6 is missing. And the 7 is missing. 5, 6, 7. 5, 7. Okay, need to wait. That means 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers 1 and 2. 3 is missing and the 4 is missing. 3 and the 4, 3 and the 4. We have a 4 in the last row. No 4 there. 4 should be here. 3 goes there. 3, 3. 3 in this column. 3 in the middle column. So we'll come next. Now only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We have a 3 in this row. No 3 there. 3 should be there. Alright. Then need a 9 here. 9. Come on, come on, come on. 8, 8, 8, 8. 8. In this big square we need an 8. We have an 8 in this row, no 8 in these 3 boxes. We have an 8 in the middle column, no 8 in those 2 boxes. So the 8 in this big square could be here, could be there. 8 in one of those 2 boxes in this column, 8 in the middle column. So the column next, now only 3 places left for the 8 to be here, here or there. We have an 8 in this row, third row, no 8 there. 8 in the second row, no 8 there. The only place left for the 8 should be there. Then 8, 8. Need a 4 here. Well, in this big square, we need a 9. We have a 9 in this column, so no 9 in this box. So the 9 could be here, could be there. And in this big square, we need a 4. We have a 4 in this row, so no 4 in this box. So the 4 goes together with the 9 as a pair. So 1 is left in this big square for number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is missing. So the 7 and the 9 is missing. 7 and 9. Okay. Interesting. 1, 1. Need a 2 there. Okay. And now 4, 4. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Yeah. 4, 4, 4. Need to think. 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3. Do we have all the 3s? And all the 3s are used. I can see. Yeah, digit number 1, number 3. 1 in the first column, 1 in the second column. So the third column, the only 2 places left for 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in this row, third row, no 1 there, 1 should be here. 1 in this column, 1 in that column, so the column 3 in the middle column, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have 1 in the first row, no 1 there, 1 should be there. And all the ones are used. I can see digit number 2, number 1. How about the 4 in this column, 4 in the second column, so in the fifth column, the only place left for the 4 should be there. 4, 4, okay. These 3 missing numbers in this big square are numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. The 6 and the 7 is missing. 2, 5, 7. 2, 5, 7. Nope, cannot fill this yet. 5, 7, and need a 4. Need a 4 here. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. 6. 6. How about 9, 6, and well, 5. Need a 5 here. 5 there. 8, 6, 7, 8, 6, 7, 8, 6. 7, 7, 7, 7. Come on, come on. 7. 7 and the 2 are missing. 7 and 2. Yeah, 2 missing numbers in the third row. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 2 and the 7, 2 and the 7. We have a 2 in this column. No 2 there. 2 should be, and the 7 goes there. 2 missing numbers now in this big square from us. I believe the 5 and the 7. We have a 7 in the second row. No 7 there. 7 should be here, and 5 goes there. 2 missing numbers in the first row for numbers. 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing, and the 5 is missing. 4 and the 5, 4 and the 5. We have a 5 in the middle column. No 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 4 goes there. 4 and a 9. We have a 4 now in the middle column. No 4 there. 4 should be here. 9 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3 and the 4 is, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 2 and the 6, 2 and the 6. We have a 6 in this column. No 6 there. 6 should be here, and a 2 goes there. We have a pair in this big square. The 2 and the 6 in this column. The 2 and the 6 in that column. So the column 3 in the middle column, the only 2 places left for the 2 and the 6 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and 6, 2 and the 6. Well, we have a 2 in this row. No 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 5, 6, 7, okay. So 1 box left now in this column for number 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. So need a 9 there. 5, 6, 7, 8, and I need a 4 here. Well, 4 in this row, 4 in the middle row. So the row above, the only place left for 4 should be there. So 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing, and 8 is missing. 7, 8, 7, 8. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and 8 goes in there. 7 in this row, 7 in the middle row. So the row above, the only place left for 7 should be there. So the other 2 numbers in this big square are numbers 5 and the 6, 5 and the 6. We have a 5 in the middle row, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 5 in this row, 5 in the middle row, so the row above, the only place left for the 5, it should be there. 1 box left now in the middle row for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8 is missing. 8 in the third column, 8 in the first column, so the column 3 in the second column, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We have an 8 in this row, no 8 there, 8 should be there. 2 missing numbers now in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing, the 7, 8, 9 is missing, 6 and 9, 6 and 9. Cannot fill this yet. That means here should be also 6 and a 9 in this column. We have a 9 in this row, so no 9 there. 9 should be here, 6 goes there. 1 box left now in this big square for number 6. 6, 7, 9. Well, we have a 6 and a 9 in this row, so no 6 and 9 in this box. 6 and 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 6 and 9, 6 and 9. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be here, 9 goes there. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 7. 7 in this row, 7 in Sorry, 7 in the last row, 7 in a row, both on that row. The only place 11 7 should be there. Final two numbers in this big square for the master one. The 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8. 9 is missing, 2, the 9, 2, the 9. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be here. 2 goes there. 14 minutes. Wow, we solve again. And I like this one, yes. 3 stars, no. 2 stars, no. Let me give this a 1 star. I'm faster than 50 minutes. So I'm well pleased with the time. And I like this one, yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it also by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with other 2 puzzles. Until then, bye bye for now.